Hello mga kajubos! Kamusta kayo?
Hello mga kachupos!
Hi mga kajubos!
It's Apex 2025. We are at World Trade Center. We are inviting you to come as BS Universal and we sell bunch of stuff such as shake, luncheon meat, and more. So don't miss it out. See ya!
Hello mga ka-chupos, at ngayon ay day 4 ng Apex at kasama natin si Ma'am Kate.
Hi! Hi guys!
And Ma'am Kate, regarding pala sa event na to, is ano pala yung rene-represent nyo po, Ma'am?
Well, I represent, welcome to our booth, JS Universal Asia Inc. And we have different products in the market. I will introduce you our different products. We have kitchen condiments, of course, and we also have juices, coffee, milk tea, shakes in different flavors. And of course, our soon-to-launch product in the market, this Gold Cup Chicken Luncheon Meat.
And Ma'am Kate, regarding pala sa mga products and items nyo po, saan po nila mabibili to bukod po sa event po?
Mabibili niyo po ang aming mga produkto sa all leading supermarkets and sa mga palengke din po.
And syempre, tikman nyo na rin guys ang kanilang luncheon meat.
Super sarap!
Thank you, Ma'am.
Thank you!
Okay.